Hi, I'm Future from Sewmate. Welcome to my channel. I'll be showing you how to do that manipulation using the slash and spread method. If you ask me, I think this is one of the easiest methods to do this because it's quite visual. When you are doing that manipulation using the slash and spread method, you need a few things to help you achieve it. You need tape, a ruler, a scissors, and you need a pen. So I'll be using a marker as usual so you can see clearly. So what you do, you just trace around your block and cut out the dots. I've already done that beforehand to shorten this process, okay? So for our first style, we're gonna be moving the waist dart into the shoulder tip. So just choose the point on your block, get your ruler, and draw a straight line to the bust point. Just like that. Get your scissors and cut through this line to the bust point but not through. Okay, just like that. So now we need to close this dart and open the shoulder tip. Get your tape and close it. Just like that. And we have already moved our dart. So with finishing the darts, you still have to use the same method I shown you in my first video, the pivot method. Just go and check on it and you'll know how to complete this kind of darts. So for our second style, we're going to create a French dart. So just mark the location of the dart, just about there, and draw a straight line again to the bust point. Cut through this line to the bust point but not through. Just leave it hanging by the thread. Just like that. And next we're going to close this dart, and there we have our French dart opened. That's it. Next we're gonna move our waist dart to the side bust dart, so we follow through the same process. Mark where you want the dart to go, get your ruler, draw a straight line to the bust point. Cut the line, but not through the bust point. Now close your waist dart, and there you have it. For the next style, we're gonna move the waist dart to the armhole. Mark where you want your dart to go. Draw a straight line from there to the bust point. Cut through that line but not through the bust point. Leave it hanging by the thread. Now just close your waist dart. Just like that, we've moved our darts. So next time we're going to be moving our waist dart to the mid shoulder point. Mark where you want your dart to go, get your ruler, draw a straight line to the bust point. Cut through this line. Now you close your waist dart. Next time we're going to be making a neck dart. So we're moving the waist dart to the neck area, okay? What you do next is to just choose where you want your dart to go. Draw a straight line to the bust point. Get a scissors and cut through this line. Make sure not to go through the bust point, just leave it a little bit there hanging. Now close your waist dart and just tape it on. There you have it. We've moved our dart to the neck. For our last style, we're gonna be moving the waist dart to the center front neck dart position. Okay, what we're gonna do is to mark the location where you wanna send the dart to. Draw a straight line to the bust point. Get your scissors and cut through that line, but not through the bust point, okay? Just like that. And we're gonna close the waist darts. Okay. So that's it with our dart manipulation using a 1 dart bodice block. Next time I'll be showing you all these styles again using a 2 dart bodice block. Thank you.